Zendesk Affiliate Program Review. Welcome to this Zendesk Affiliate Program Review. If you're interested, you can find the links to Zendesk's products in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Zendesk is a widely recognized customer service software solution designed to help businesses manage customer interactions, improve customer support, and streamline workflows across various communication channels. It provides a range of tools, including ticketing systems, live chat, help desk support, and analytics, making it an essential platform for businesses of all sizes. Zendesk focuses on offering seamless integration with numerous other applications and systems, making it an adaptable solution for both small startups and large enterprises. The Zendesk Affiliate Program allows affiliates to promote Zendesk's high-quality customer service tools and earn commissions for each sale or sign-up. This program is perfect for business consultants, marketers, or anyone working in the B2B space, especially those involved in helping businesses improve their customer experience or service operations. What's great about the Zendesk Affiliate Program is the platform's established reputation. With thousands of businesses already using Zendesk, the affiliate program benefits from strong brand recognition, making it easier for you to promote a trusted product. Additionally, Zendesk offers several products, including Zendesk Support, Zendesk Chat, Zendesk Guide, and Zendesk Talk, each catering to different needs in the customer support ecosystem. This variety provides affiliates the flexibility to target different segments within the customer service industry. One of the standout features of this program is the competitive commission structure. Zendesk offers generous payouts for each conversion, and their sales cycle is often shorter due to the brand's trustworthiness and solid product offering. They also provide marketing resources, including banners, landing pages, and case studies, which make it easy to get started and effectively market their solutions. To sum it up, the Zendesk Affiliate Program is a fantastic opportunity for affiliates working in the customer service or B2B marketing niches. The program offers competitive commissions, excellent brand recognition, and top-notch sales support materials, making it a great choice for anyone looking to promote a high-quality, in-demand product. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more details. Thanks for watching.